name's Dave Berger. I'm a blacksmith, specifically an artist blacksmith, to distinguish from a farrier. My interest for blacksmithing began when I was an exchange student. After high school, I went to Germany and ended up in their tech program for automotive, but also metalworking, and every Friday was forge day. So the design of the wrought iron bottle opener it's a traditional piece blacksmiths have been making for quite a while. That specific bottle opener evolved out of an order from a restaurant in Philadelphia, Monk's Cafe, that they wanted something where all their wait staff could have a bottle opener in their back pocket, so it had to be a certain length and that they could just whip it out and crack open a bottle. In this case, this was for Boxer's Cafe. I made a stamp, custom stamp for Boxer's.